Welcome back to Money Via. Imagine using artificial intelligence to generate passive income, even while you sleep. In today's video, we'll break down 5 powerful AI methods you can start using right now to build income streams on autopilot. These are real, actionable strategies, no complicated tech required. We'll give you the tools, the step-by-step process, and show you how a little setup now can lead to big payoffs later. People are already getting rich with these methods, and it's just the beginning. Stick around. Our final method could literally change your life. First up, content creation. What used to take weeks now takes minutes with AI. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI are like having a team of writers working for you 24/7. Want to start a blog about sustainable gardening? Just ask the AI for blog ideas and full articles. It's instant. You can fill a blog with quality content in a single afternoon. But how do you turn that into money? Monetize your blog with ads, sign up for Google AdSense, and every visit or click earns you cash. More content means more traffic, which means more revenue. Affiliate marketing is another goldmine. Recommend products in your articles, use affiliate links, and earn commissions when readers buy. The AI writes, you collect the checks. Take your best articles, expand them, and turn them into ebooks. Sell them on your blog or Amazon Kindle for recurring income. You can even automate YouTube channels. AI writes scripts, generates voiceovers, and creates videos with stock footage. These faceless channels are making thousands in ad revenue. Think like a media mogul. Your team is an algorithm. Test different niches: finance, fitness, travel. Each blog becomes its own income stream. The initial setup takes work, but once it's running, it's a money machine. With AI, you can produce hundreds of articles, dominate search results, and automate social media posts and email newsletters. The key: set up the system, feed the AI topics, and let it churn out assets. You're building a content empire on autopilot. Recap: use AI to generate massive content for blogs or YouTube, monetize with ads, affiliate links, and digital products. More content leads to more traffic, more revenue, and faster scaling. This is one of the most accessible ways to start building passive income right now. Don't overthink it, just start. The tools are out there and the opportunity is huge. You don't need to be a writer or a tech expert. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Focus on picking a niche and setting up your monetization. The rest is just rinse and repeat. Build multiple streams, test what works, and scale up. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. AI is changing the game. Don't get left behind. Start your content empire today. Let's move to the next method. Method 2, AI-powered e-commerce and drop shipping. Running an online store used to be a grind finding products, writing descriptions, running ads, handling customers. Now AI can do almost all of it for you. AI tools analyze trends and predict which products are about to go viral. No more guessing. Once you pick a product, AI writes persuasive descriptions and generates images. You can A/B test different versions to see what sells best. For marketing, AI-driven platforms create and manage your ads, shifting your budget to the most profitable campaigns automatically. AI personalizes the shopping experience, recommends products, and powers chatbots for 24/7 customer support. You're just overseeing the machine. Example: AI finds a trending product, you build a store on Shopify, import the product, and let AI handle descriptions and ads. AI chatbots answer questions, recommend add-ons, and send automated emails. Your main job? Watch sales roll in and handle rare issues. The AI handles trend analysis, content, ads, and customer interaction. You focus on scaling and finding new niches. Run multiple stores, each managed by AI. Your competitors are stuck doing everything manually. You're moving faster and smarter. When you find a winning product, just increase the ad budget and let the AI scale. Suppliers handle orders, AI handles customers, and your income grows without extra work. This is a true passive income machine. Don't do e-commerce the old way. Leverage AI from day one. Use it for product research, listings, ads, and customer service. Build a business that works for you, not the other way around. The scalability is incredible. You can outmaneuver and outsell the competition. The earlier you start, the more you can dominate. AI is your secret weapon in e-commerce. Set up your first store this weekend. Let the robots do the heavy lifting. Focus on strategy, not busywork. This is how you build a scalable, automated e-commerce empire. Ready for the next method? Let's talk about investing. Method 3. AI-assisted investing, the most hands-off way to grow your money. Investing used to be intimidating, but now robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to manage your portfolio. No need to pick stocks or time the market. The AI does it all based on your goals and risk tolerance. It builds a diversified portfolio of ETFs, balancing risk and reward. The AI constantly monitors and rebalances your investments as the market changes. It even does tax loss harvesting, selling losing investments to offset your taxes, then reinvesting for you. All you do is set up automatic deposits, $10, $100, whatever you can afford. The AI invests it, and you let compound interest work its magic. This is set it and forget it investing, perfect for building long-term wealth without being a full-time trader. You get hedge fund level tech, but it's accessible to everyone. No need for $1 million account, start with as little as $10. The AI removes emotion, making logical decisions for you. Over years, your money grows in the background while you focus on other things. It's the ultimate passive income strategy. If you want your money to work for you, robo-advisors are a game changer. You're not just investing, you're leveraging AI to maximize returns with minimal effort. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounding. Don't let fear or complexity hold you back. Let AI handle the hard part. Set up your account, automate your deposits, and watch your wealth grow. This is the future of investing. Ready to build your own AI-powered business? Let's dive in. Method 4. Create your own AI-based app or service for recurring income. You don't need to be a coder, partner with a developer, or use no-code platforms like Bubble. Build a micro SaaS, software as a service, that solves a specific problem using AI. Think of apps that help businesses write social posts or generate meal plans. Simple tools, real value. You're not building the AI itself, just a user-friendly interface on top of existing AI models. Find a niche. Don't try to build the next ChatGPT. Instead, solve a narrow problem for a specific industry. Niche markets are often underserved and willing to pay for tools that save time or make money. Once you have a basic app, charge a monthly subscription, $10, $20 or more. As your user base grows, your income scales with minimal extra work. The app is automated by AI, so costs stay low as you add users. It's not totally passive at first. You'll need to market, gather feedback, and improve. But you're building an asset that can generate income 24/7. Eventually, you can hire a team to manage it, making it nearly hands-off. You're bridging the gap between powerful AI and people who need solutions. There's huge value in making AI accessible and useful. Start by identifying problems in your life or industry. Could AI solve it? Could you build a simple wrapper around an existing AI model? Whether you partner with a developer or use no-code tools, this is a pathway to scalable, subscription-based income. The opportunity is massive and growing. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Start small and iterate. Even a simple tool can become indispensable to the right audience. Focus on recurring revenue and automation. Build once, get paid every month. This is how you create a business that works for you. The earlier you start, the more you can grow. AI is leveling the playing field. Take advantage now. Ready for the final method? Let's automate your social media. Final method: AI-powered social media management. Building a strong social presence is powerful, but it's a huge time sink. AI tools like Lately.ai and Buffer's AI Assistant automate content creation, scheduling, and analytics. Feed a blog post or video to the AI, and it generates dozens of social posts instantly. Promote your content for weeks with just a few minutes of work. AI schedules posts at optimal times for engagement, maximizing your reach. It can even monitor mentions, suggest replies, and handle common questions. You stay engaged without being glued to your phone. AI analytics show you what's working. What topics and formats drive the most engagement? Refine your strategy based on real data, not guesswork. As your audience grows, monetize with affiliate products, digital products, or brand sponsorships. Your social accounts become valuable assets, driving leads and sales while you sleep. Use AI to turn one blog post into 30 social posts, schedule them, and drive traffic to your monetized blog or store. The AI ecosystem feeds itself. Content creation, distribution, and monetization, all automated. Your job is to make high-level decisions while AI handles the day-to-day. Outsmart the competition by leveraging automation. Build a massive online presence and personal brand with less effort. Focus on creating value, not busy work. AI lets you scale your influence and income passively. The earlier you start, the faster you grow. Don't try to do it all yourself. Let AI handle the grind. This is how you build a business and brand that works for you. The tools are here. Use them. Start automating your social media today. Ready to take action? Let's wrap up. You've got the blueprint. Now it's your turn. Go build your AI-powered empire. Thanks for watching. Which AI method will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more money-making strategies. We've covered 5 powerful ways to use AI for passive income. The future is here. Take action now. Pick a method, start today, and build your income stream. Your support helps us bring you more strategies for financial freedom. Drop a comment with what you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next video.